Hey my beauties, welcome back, and if you all are new here, welcome to the channel. So today I want to do like a soft fall inspired kind of makeup. I love fall makeup. So I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyes with a primer from Give Me Glow Cosmetics. This is in the color Sketch. So we are going to use the Morphe Nude Ambitions palette. I'm going to start off with this color. This color is called Raw Talent. Leave a leaf emoji if you are excited for fall. Leave that in the comment section. I'm going to take the color Naked Eye, and it's just a darker brown color. So I'm just going to pack this on first. So I'm going to take this color base primer. If you don't feel like your color is popping enough, then you can use these. This is like a nude color, so I kind of want the color on my lid to kind of stand out. Okay, I'm going to go back into that second eyeshadow we used, that dark brown, and I'm going to take that and just kind of blend it on the outer part so everything could be blended. And I'm going to go in my creases just a little bit just to kind of clean up that area. Take this color called In the Flesh, and it's like a light to medium brown nude color. I'm going to take that and put it in between those two colors because I kind of want to do like an ombre effect. So I'm going to put it right here like that. Yes, perfect. Put it right there. These colors are blending really nicely. Yeah, perfect. I'm just going to take what's ever left on this brush, the first brush that I was using, and just kind of blend it over that shade to do like a little ombre effect. Love it. We're gonna go in with this black shade called Lights Off, and I'm just gonna tap it. Just gonna tap it and flick it in, doing circular motions, and just kind of, you know, bring a little depth to the look. I'm not adding too much. I'm just flicking the color in. Just bringing a little bit in the crease. I'm literally like just barely tapping it because I just want a little bit. I don't want too much. For blush, I'm going to go back into some Makeup Geek blush, and just to add some warmth to the look, I'm going to take the last two shades, that dark brown and that black, and mix it and put it underneath my waterline. Eyelashes I have on are from the beauty supply store, and these are my absolute favorite. I gotta get some more. I may have one more pair, I'm not sure. No, I don't. These are from Poppy and Ivy, and the style is Juliana, and I like them because they start off short in the inner corner, and then they flare out, so you can still see all your hard work that you did with your eyeshadow. So I really enjoy these. So, and these have lasted me for a long time. I'm still working on my first pair, but I do want to pick up some more when I go to Sam's Beauty. Lip liner I'm going to use today is the Maybelline Lifter Liner in the color Cross the Line. like this. I wish they had like a deeper brown though. This one is kind of warm. So I kind of want to play off with the colors on my eyes. I'm going to take this Give Me Glow Cosmetics Lippy in the color Cream Puff. And the gloss just made it a little bit more milky. This is the final look. I wanted to create a soft fall glam. It's giving everything. I will leave everything that I use in the description box, and I loved the way everything turned out, and it was super easy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy. If you all are new here, comment down below. Like I said, leave a leaf emoji if you guys are ready for fall. If you are in the fall spirit, I'm so ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.